In today's Taobao tips and tricks, I'm going to show you how to know your order number on Taobao, step-by-step tutorial. So let's begin. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm a procurement and importation coach. If you want to contact me for importation business, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And also remember to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial tips and tricks about China importation business and some other country importation business on this channel. So with that being said, so let's get started and see how to know your Taobao order number. So first thing first, you have to open up your Taobao and then you click on your Taobao profile. Boom. So it's going to open up this way. The next thing you want to do right here is to click on the order that you have successfully purchased. So it's going to open up the order that you have successfully purchased. Next thing you want to do is to click on the order link right here. Boom. So it's going to take you to the order page right here. Okay. So next thing you want to do is to, you can just see right here. You can see this is your order number, right? This number right here, it refers to your order number. In some cases, your order might have issue with the supplier and they ask you to send your order number, or maybe your procurement or maybe your freight forwarder asks for your order number. So the number right here is refers to as your order number. And for you to copy it, all you have to do is to click on here. So once you click on here, it means you copy the order number. Then you can send it to supplier to sort out whatever issue you have with your order or with your shipping company. So this is what I have for you as far as Taobao tips and tricks about procurement and shipping from China today is concerned. If you want to contact me for importation business, you can contact me on WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. If you want me to procure your link on 1688 Taobao or on Pinduoduo, you can also contact me via the same number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial about importation business from China and some other country. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.